How safe are masks and sanitizer during this pandemic season? Just like our cell phone, they also became part of our life. Let's talk about the face masks first. This morning I opened Amazon website and I searched for the face masks. Look at here. I just typed the letter M and now you can see all the masks they are showing up here. I guess face mask manufacturing and sanitizers are becoming trending in all over the world. I see that Kerala shop is offering customized face mask with people faces printed on it. They are coming with a new innovative ideas now. Wearing a mask is really necessary? If yes, which mask should be taken as a priority? NIH, National Institute of Health, taken a test between the surgical mask and homemade mask. Surgical mask was 3 times more effective in blocking the transmission than the homemade mask. Well, homemade mask should only be considered as a least resort to prevent droplet transmission. WHO, World Health Organization, already said that face mask should be worn only by doctors or the people who are affected with the COVID or people who has breathing issues. In most of the countries, the grocery shops putting a sign that no mask, no entry. That means if you go without the mask, they won't allow inside to buy groceries. I won't disagree with them because they were concerned about our health and their employees' health. Well, here comes the biggest question. Does wearing a face mask for a long time reduces oxygen supply in our blood? Is that true? Let's check it out. Have you also getting those WhatsApp forward messages saying that wearing a mask for a long time can affect your health? Even I got one. So I did some research on this one. Let me tell you. It all started on April 23rd in New Jersey. A driver crashed his SUV into the pole and he blamed his collision on his mask. The driver told the police officer that he didn't get enough oxygen for wearing an N95 mask for a long time and he taken excessive carbon dioxide intake. The officers believed him and also posted on Facebook. And later the police department updated their post saying that they are not 100% sure about that and also said that the person may have other medical issues. So now the forward message which you got in WhatsApp probably is not real. In atmosphere there is 78% of nitrogen, 20% of oxygen and only few percent of carbon dioxide and the remaining will be other mixture of gases. We all knew that we inhale oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide. The carbon we breathe out as a carbon dioxide comes from the carbon in the food what we eat. So now there should be at least 10% of carbon dioxide should be present in the atmosphere to harm your health. But like I said, there is only 0.04% of carbon dioxide in the atmosphere. So it won't be any harm to your health. But coming to the face mask, it may be dangerous to some people who are wearing for a long time, like who smokes a lot, like who has breathing issues, or for some obese people. Keep in mind that your mask should not be made with the plastic. There are some times where you should put off your mask, like when you are at home, when you are self-isolating, while you are driving alone in the car with AC on, and also when you are doing exercise. Now coming to sanitizers. Well, sanitizer seems to be easy option to keep all the nasty bugs away. How many people know that using excessive hand sanitizer can kill the good bacteria that helps in keeping our skin and bodies healthy? Sanitizers doesn't care about our good bacteria or bad bacteria. It just kills them all. Excessive usage of sanitizers can affect on your immunity system. So be careful. Sanitizers should always take a back seat if you have access to soap and water. The best way to get rid of germs is by properly washing hands with the soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Another best way to clean your hands are with lemon and the warm water. The acids present in the lemon are very effective in removing dirt. So squeeze a lemon in your hands and rub them together for a few minutes and just wash it with the warm water. This is the best way and the natural way to clean your hands. Like I said, use sanitizer only if you don't find the soap or lemon nearby you. And remember that your sanitizer should be about 60% alcohol percentage, at least 60% of alcohol percentage in it. There is another photo going on viral on Facebook that if you put your sanitizer in the car, this happened. Don't worry, this is a fake photo. But some researchers say that if you put your sanitizer in the car and if it is exposed to the sun, it may lose its power. So keep it in a safe place. Thanks for watching. Stay home, be safe.